Hey, it's Dr. Taylor. I'm here with one of my patients here, Taylor, who's going to walk us through how to do a subcutaneous injection. When you get a peptide, you're always going to have a vial, the supplies, as well as the instructions that come from the pharmacy. Each compounding pharmacy that we use is going to have a different way that they give those instructions or how to do the injection for you. So we're going to do an instructional video today about how to do a safe subcutaneous injection. A couple of things to note. You always want to use sterile technique, and you always want to do it in a place that is appropriate for subcutaneous injections. The way I explain this to most patients is there's going to be fatty areas of skin that are most ideal for subcutaneous injection. That includes the stomach, the thigh, the glute, or the back of the arm. For most injections, it doesn't really matter if they're subcutaneous, which one you choose. It's whichever is most appropriate and least painful for you. So when you get your peptide, you are going to get a vial. You'll get a packet of alcohol swabs, and you'll get an insulin syringe needle that has either 100 or 50 units on it, depending on the size. Whether or not you get 100 or 50 units, they are the same. The difference is the size of the syringe. This is a 1 milliliter syringe, so it has 100 units. If you have a half milliliter syringe, you'll get 50 units. With the half milliliter syringe, it'll go in increments of 5. Meanwhile, the 1 milliliter syringe goes in increments of 10 units. Let's talk about how to do a proper subcutaneous injection. Taylor's going to demonstrate for us how to use sterile technique. With every subcutaneous injection, I recommend a couple of things. Number one, always clean the vial, always clean your skin. Draw into the syringe the amount of air that is equal to the amount of fluid that you're going to pull out of the vial. This helps maintain the vacuum that is in the vial, so as the fluid volume goes down, you can still get the fluid out as much as possible.